Namaste guys, Ashish here for Namaste Tech, and in this video we have got the Nokia 7.1. Now this device runs on Android Pie and it comes with a lot of features that was not there in the previous versions of Nokia. Of course they were running Android 8, but 7.1 with its hardware and Android Pie makes a lot of difference. In this video we are talking about all those features, tips and tricks on how you can use your Nokia 7.1. Let's begin with it. So the first thing which I really love to do is split screen. Now multitasking has changed, so when you go into multitasking and you tap on the app icon which is on the top, it gives you an option to split the screen. So when you split the screen, you can have like two apps running on side by side, or let's say it on top of each other, but you can access both of them. If you ever wish to quit, you can just drag down from the middle to the bottom and it will go away. Now, I was talking about multitasking, right? So instead of having vertical app list, now you've got horizontal app list, which makes previewing of the data much easier. But it has got an annoying drawback. The clearer option is right on the extreme left, which really makes it difficult if I want to just close off all the apps. However, when you go into multitasking, you get two more options. First is recent tabs or the most frequently apps right at the bottom, and then you also have an option to search anything with the Google search bar. There's another thing which is very annoying. Now if I want to open app drawer, I will have to swipe up twice, which looks more of an accidental case than anything else. So yeah, there's something which will make people switch to third-party launcher like Microsoft or the Nova launcher. Now a lot of people don't like notches, and the 7.1 notch is little bigger, it's smaller than the 5.1, but it's still big. So if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off using developer mode. To get into developer mode, you need to go to settings, system, go to the build number of the phone, tap it like 7 or 9 times, and the developer mode will be turned on. Once turned on, you can go into the settings of the developer mode and find an option which says full screen and just toggle it on. This will completely turn off the notch. There's also a lot of animation in Android Pie. So if you don't like animation and you want things a little bit faster, you can find the option to turn off animation right in the developer mode as well. So you can experiment it a bit, you can slow down a bit, you can fasten up, change whatever you feel makes your phone faster, and then do whatever you feel is right. Now the most interesting feature for me, keeping in mind Nokia, is the navigation gesture. It had been there in all the phones, all other companies' phone, but not on the Nokia device, and was one of the most asked thing. So to enable gestures on the Nokia 7.1, you need to go to System, Gestures, and enable the on-screen, the one button mode or the navigation gesture. So now you will have like two buttons here. One is for the home button, which is rather a slider. Second thing looks like a back button. So now if you want to go back or anywhere you are on the screen, you just need to use the back button. If you want to go on the home screen, just swipe up and leave it and you go on the home screen. But if you swipe up and hold it to give you a multitasking view, and you can also slide around with the button left and right to actually switch between the applications in much faster way. There's another small improvement with Android Pie you get on Nokia 7.1, that is muting the media volume. Now it may so happen that you're watching a video and you really don't want anybody to listen, or it is something that you just want to mute it off instantly. Just hold down the volume down button, you will get an option to turn off media instantly. When it comes to notification, Android Pie has got smarter. Every time you swipe out things, it will ask you if you really don't like it. It will reduce the amount of notification for you. However, if you want to control the notification on granular basis, like deep down that I want to have a notification for this, I don't want a notification for that, then you can click on manage all notifications, select your app, and then go down deep and figure out which settings of that app can send you notifications. Now to improve battery life, we used to have like automatic brightness control and all, so that it saves battery depending on how much amount of light you have in the background. Now there's something called as ambient display. Now it takes in a lot of factors on how you use the app, how you use the phone, when you use the phone, which application you use, what kind of brightness level do you keep. It takes all those factors and uses adaptive brightness. While it's turned on, don't turn it off at all. The last one is the DND mode. Now there's nothing special about DND mode, but there is one small feature. If your phone is in DND mode and it keeps lighting up, the screen lights up because there is some notification, some call, some message that shows up and your screen lights up. Now that's distracting. You can go into do not disturb mode and you can turn off any kind of animation or screen lit for the Nokia 7.1 in the DND mode. So guys, that was all about Nokia 7.1 features, what we liked about it and what you can use on daily basis. So let us know what you feel about the video. If you did like the video, do hit the like button, share this video with everyone else, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.